We are cruising in eras with the spirit of exploratory. We are keeping going forward and never giving up. We focus on manufacturing reliable pumps for projects. We are based in China and provide services for the whole world. Our customers are scattered in more than 120 countries and regions. Here we can give you products and systematic services with high quality. Behind our achievements, there are three main global production bases, which contribute nearly 60,000 square meters of productive area and more than 5,000 days and nights of work time. The company is forged by practices. It is purity. It is our team. We insist on making innovations independently, making improvements on our own, and going further in this way. We work with universities to build a base for postgraduates to put their knowledge into practice. We make innovations repeatedly in the tech of energy-saving pumps. In this way, we eradicate barriers together. We utilize digital techs to cover the production chain with intelligent methods, making innovations and going further in this way. We are absolutely fastidious in production standards. The intelligent controlling system helps us check our process. Let the automated production procedure create masterpieces with high efficiency and standard, between square inches, measuring to the extreme. The full process inspection has been introduced into our production to realize lean production and 5S management system. Ultimate requirements are the spokesman of purity and will be the standard of the world, making improvements in quality and going further in this way. We are on the edge standard of the industry. We build Purity Testing Center. We analyze data deeply. We check quality carefully. Every detail shows our responsibility. We combine digital intelligent tech and put them into application. Purity plays the role of an active marketing driver of the industry. We catch the tide of China's rise. We create a new marketing way, the title of high-speed rail. Our brand and fame traffic are engines in opening digital markets. Concentrate on one craft. The craft will be on the master level. Purity plays the participant and caller simultaneously in the energy-saving area. We combine more than 120 patent techs, integrating pumps for projects, innovative research and development. We work with the world and going further in this way. We work with the world and going further in this way. Creative solving plan of design pump system by Purity. Energy saving, high efficiency, and low cost are our aims. We explore the value of the combination of industry and energy saving actions. Experts are fostered by a long time of concentration. We are Purity Pump.